Hey guys, welcome back to Rule 16. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new benchmark that we're testing out Sherlock Holmes, the Devil's Daughter for the Nintendo Switch. That's right, it came out and we're going to be testing it on the YUZU emulator today, once again on my Intel Core i7-4790 with the AMD RX-570 4GB VRAM graphics card. We're running with 16GB of DDR3 RAM in dual channel memory mode, and basically I think I tested Crimes and Punishment before on the YUZU emulator as well. It also had this audio issue where it was like the whole time, and unfortunately this one has the same issue as well, so I don't think this one is going to be playable either, guys. And that's just me. That's why I decided to record from the very beginning rather than when I got into the game. Um, we're gonna build in a lot of shaders. This is the first time I'm launching the game, as well as building so many shaders. I want you guys to see the full experience of the game. It's new. I decided to test it because it just came out. Why not, right? I'd like to see if a user can run all the latest games on the Switch, man. It's interesting. So here we are again, but once again I hope you guys enjoyed these videos. So yeah, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you'd like to see a specific Switch game, just leave a comment down below and I'll get to it eventually. I also do Intel HD graphics games where I try to run games on very low end hardware, the latest and greatest. It hurts my soul, but I do it anyway. Boy, I don't know. Okay, so here we actually got into, okay, so we're getting into gameplay. I mean, we got it. Oh, the audio isn't bad. Huh. I stand corrected. But this is a cut. No, this is a cinematic. This is a cinematic. Never mind. This is a cinematic. I was like, hey, at least we didn't have to worry about the whole audio thing. No, this is cinematic. It's gonna be painful. It's gonna be painful when I get into in-game and I get here. But up until that point, it'll be a sweet ride. It's using less RAM than most of the other games as well. Most of the games go to 7 and 8 by at this point. But once again, this is cinematic. Probably will get worse. Don't look too good for our dear friend Sherlock, does it? 48 hours earlier. Now we're getting into gameplay. I'm scared. I'm so scared. Oh dear. Oh. Oh no. I don't hear the sound. I don't hear anything at all. Is the audio gone? Okay. So to eliminate the terrible audio, there is no audio. I can work with this. I can work with this. Cause it's more playable now. Well, I would have had to stop it if the audio design was just terrible. It seems to be a thing with both Sherlock Holmes games, so it's not just because it's the new game. The last one did it too, so we seem to be having issues all around, really. Maybe Sherlock Holmes, the YUZU emulator just isn't there and ready yet for the Nintendo Switch emulator. The game is locked to 30 FPS as well, so there's that. Just play it on PC, guys. But hey, I need to have it in my archives. I tested this game on the Switch emulator. I like to walk around a bit. Can I skip this cutscene? I like to walk around, stretch my legs. I can't do that? Oh, that's cool. Or maybe I can and just wait. Okay. So that's what happened. I like to walk around. We're not doing this right now, are we? Of course we are. Oh, what was that? Calm down. Do I have to? I'd like to walk around first, if that'd be great. Oh, there's the audio again. I didn't pay attention to anything they talked about. Just get on with it. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. There's not much for me to talk about here. The game doesn't work. Don't get it. Just get it on PC. I'll see you guys next time. But enjoy the rest of the gameplay. Hopefully, we get a go save before I end the video. Oh, I had to talk, and I got to walk. I finally get to walk around. I finally got to walk around. I just want to get to the street. I just want to go on the street just for 1 minute. Please let me go on the street. Please, sir, can I just go on the street? Yeah! Yeah, buddy! We made it to the streets, guys! We did it! We did it! Is this real life? Let's build in them shitters, boys! Can he not run? I feel like he's supposed to be able to run. Listen, I didn't think I'd get this far, to be honest. No, I'll see you guys next time.